Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking this video. And in today's video I want to show you guys on how to make your homemade shampoo. So without further ado, let's just go directly into the video. So I knew Ungerol from the other liquid soaps and the bleach I've made, so I knew this is Ungerol, guys. And this is what we call the fine salt. Here. Oh, there been the fine salt? Apana, this is the fine salt, and then this is the CBE. Here, I think this is the polarizer. Yeah, this is the polarizer. So, and here I have my perfumes and my color. So this formula is just the same as that of making a liquid detergent. If you have not yet watched that video, please, the link is on the description. You can click it and watch it. So the process number one, you are going to mix all of these ones until they are thoroughly mixed, and then you add your color, and then you add your perfume, and you let your shampoo to stay or to cool for 24 hours. So let's go directly into the video. My videographer, come this side please. So guys, I have my bucket here. It's empty and it is clean, and I have my 5 liters of water. With me I'm making 5 liters of shampoo. So let's start with Ungerol. We are putting the Ungerol into our bucket. Make sure you get rid of all of it. Sibakishe hata kidogo. So that is our Ungerol, and let's add this. We're adding our polarizer. This is the one that makes the shampoo to be nitwanga silky ama smooth bed.
Safety kumamina. Kama.
Yeah. Hata unaweza hapa iko hivyo.
Kama.
This is our CBE. Okay. Let's mix. So when you realize your products have mixed very well, you add your water now. You add it liter by liter, and you continue mixing it slowly by slowly. Within 10 minutes and you are done. You have your 5 liters of shampoo. Hey, how cool is that, guys?
For 250.
Yes.
Plus you are doing by water.
For those who wanalea nywele, and even those who hawalei, because watu sikizo wanataka kusmell poa, mtu anatumia shampoo.
Sasa shampoo inasaidia.
Shampoo ni ya kuclean hair.
Ni sabuni ya nywele.
Kwenye pesa ni sabuni ya roho. Yes. Sasa utakuwa unaoshea nywele yako. Ensure it has mixed very well. You keep adding liter by liter.
So men can also buy shampoo.
See, there are some men who buy shampoo. In fact, they include that on their monthly budget.
Wow, any man who buys shampoo, I go and comment here hapo.
You want to know them? Mkutane nyuma ya tent.
Aniambia hizi maneno hizi sijuani.
Oh, I will teach you.
Shampoo.
In fact, hii shampoo haina smell kubwa kama ile ya zingine. And then we add our another liter of water. Inanuka shampoo. Try out, guys, and let us know on the comment section. Because the more you are adding water, the thicker it becomes.
But this is it's also a good business opportunity.
Yes, hata mimi I'm selling them. If you are interested, please let us know.
1 liter is very affordable.
Yeah.
And it can be shipped anywhere in this Kenya.
Another liter of water. This is 5 liters we are making. You have your separate tools.
But make sure they are wooden. Because these are chemicals, they react differently with metal.
Yes. We are almost done. Our products have already mixed. It's very well mixed. And now it's high time we add our color. And we continue mixing it very well for the color to develop. So guys, let's add our color. As I told you on the previous videos that it's not a must for you to use all of this color. Yes, so you can just use a little bit of it, and then next time or tomorrow when you go to buy this product, you will skip that part of color because this is too much if you add all of it. But first time when I was making my liquid detergent, yeah, I didn't need that. It's not a must you add the whole of it, but now I'm aware that you can store the rest. Let's do business. If you are interested, please you comment down below, and you follow us on all social media platforms. We talk business,
and also we have a WhatsApp group for business.
Yeah, if you are interested, please
go and ask questions there.
Yeah,
it's much simpler.
And the link is on the description.
And the pinned comment.
Yeah, you join our WhatsApp group. We talk business. We become
kutuelimisha na sisi tukuelimishe.
We elimishana. Yeah.
Mambo ni kusaidiana.
Yes. Guys, nitakuwa naenda salon kuoshwa nywele. Now that I have my own shampoo, I'm also about to buy my own blow dry.
And save that 150 or 200?
250 wash and blow dry. So that's how we save money, and we tunacheza chama na hizo. If you also want a blow dry,
yeah, talk to us.
Talk to us.
To add your mzigo.
Yes. I think this now is ready. It's time now I add the perfume. Mbili. I'm going to start with this one. This one is smelling so sweet. This one now this one is the real shampoo. Guys, the smelling here is so sweet. The way you feel the shampoo smells in the salon, and this is how mine is smelling here. And I'm so...
It's so thick.
Yeah.
Compare na.
You want to compare with that one? This one is the best.
Hii ni maji bana.
Homemade things are best. The same way kienyeji are better than broilers.
Afadhali kienyeji my dear.
You better go for kienyeji.
Kienyeji ni tamu.
Kushinda broiler.
Broiler ni one man.
Now, wow, it smells so sweet. This is the shampoo. You can use it immediately, but then again let it cool, and you know cooling allows this foam to disappear. Okay guys, and now I think it's ready.
It's ready for storage for 24 hours.
Yeah, for 24 hours. So tomorrow by this time, I will be showing you guys the results. I'm also a guy and I want to see. You know, this is my first time trying this thing out. And I thank God they have really turned. Yeah, they have really. They'll kick in bed. I'm really thankful to God that they have turned out very good. In fact, they are the best. If I was to choose between making them at home and buying them at the supermarket or at the shop, I will go for this one. So guys, that is what I have for now. Let's wait for tomorrow and see the results. Okay? Tunawapenda ndo maana tunashare na nyinyi this one.
So, tunaona kesho.
Yeah, bye.